What are you guys doing? Why 55? Why not do random times?
Then it'll go off at
They will go off at once.
I know, but it would be funny if they were on a random time so that somebody had to keep going.
Okay, now it's set for 40. Or between 50 and 55.
You guys are very naughty. You are naughty children.
Will freak out. I don't want to work here.
Why aren't you stopping us, Mother?
Yeah, it's your responsibility.
Because I have a very big job right now.
Hey.
And they will go off at different times because we're setting them
Yeah.
a couple seconds apart, so.
You can barely hear the tick-tack. We should go back in a little bit.
I think it's called vandalism.
No, it's not. It's awesome.